of all, see beta, yesterday we shooted a video regarding the remaining part of exercise 1.3, but because of some technical fault the video could not be published. Right now I am shooting that part, but see beta, this part is gonna be very smaller because in the morning I have taught you all the sums, remaining sums of 1.3 in the WhatsApp group. But right now I am shooting only to visualize how did I solve all the sums. Okay, this video will be published just after the shooting. Within 15 to 20 minutes I will complete all the remaining 5 sums of the exercise 1.3. This is only for you class 9. See beta, after that next videos you will get according to the schedule. Okay, right now I am going to solve all the remaining sums of exercise 1.3. See, exercise 1.3 question number 4. See beta, here 0.9999 up to infinity. This is given, and what we have to do, we have to express this in P by Q form, and we have to comment on the output. See, without any delay, if I consider it X, yes or no, I can consider it X. And in the last video I have told you how to sort out this kind of problems. We have to shift this decimal such that the remaining part, the part after decimal, should be the same as in the real condition. Okay, so that if we subtract the equations, we will get only an integer. Sorry. Okay beta, see now multiply this equation by 10. Suppose this is equation 1, multiply 1 by 10, you will get 10x is equal to 9.99999 and so on. This is second equation. Now if you apply 2 minus 1, what will you get? See, you will get here 10x minus x, 9x is equal to, and here 9.999 and up to infinity, 0.9999 up to infinity. Yes or no? This portion minus this portion. After decimal whole is removed, 9 minus 0 is 9. Yes or no? Then if you find x, you will get 9 by 9, that is 1 by 1. Okay, this is the answer. Now after this statement, what is asked here beta? With your teacher and classmate, discuss why the answer makes sense. See beta, this answer makes sense. Why? In the junior classes we have studied that how we do round off. How do we do round off? Suppose see, if I am writing 5.99999, what is this? After the rounding off, it is approximately 6. Yes or no? In the same way, 0.999999 is approximately equal to 1. That's why, yes, this answer makes sense. Okay, done. Take the screenshot. Done beta. Now question number 5. See, I am little bit faster. Only for you students, I am reshooting this video. Please everyone cooperate with me so that you can visualize all the solutions. Question number 5. See beta, question number 5, 1 by 17, a rational number is given, and what we have to do, we have to, divide it and perform the what can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block? In this, see beta, why this is in P by Q form? As this is in P by Q form, definitely the output will be terminating or repeating. Divided by 17, note the product of 2 or 5. What does it mean? Definitely their decimal expansion will give us a repeating output. Okay. Now, what is the output? We can find by dividing it by 17. Start. 17 divides 1. 1.000000 I am writing here so that whatever is the 0 you can understand. I am taking zeros from here. Okay. Now see, start dividing. 1 is not divisible, 0. Up to 10 is also not divisible, 0. Then up to 100, yes, now it is divisible. 17 5s are 85 minus. Now see beta, 150, 17 8s are 136, 140, 17 8s are 136. Now it will 4 0. 17 2s are 34. 6 0. 17 3s are 51. 9 0. Again 17 5s are 85. Now 5 0. 17 2s are 34. 160. 17 9s are 153. Now it is 7 0. 17 4s are 68. 2. See beta, I am continuing this division here. Here. See what is the remainder here? 2. 2.000 it will move on. Now see 17 1 ja 17. I am writing quotient here. 17 1 ja 17. 3 0. Again 17 1 ja 17. 1 3. Take a 0 from the upside. 17 7 ja. 17 7 ja is 119. Okay. 7 ja 119. Again what it will be? 1 and 1. Then take 0. 17 6 ja 102. 8 0. 17 4 ja 68. 12 0. Yes or no? See beta, 17 5 ja 85. 17 4 ja 68. 120. 17 I am writing here 7 ja 119. Yes or no? 10. 1 yes or no? See beta, after this the same point is achieved, yes or no? Okay. It means if we continue the division, we will get the same result. We will get the same result because one has achieved here. Okay. Therefore, its decimal expansion is C 0.05 88235294117647 bar. These are the digits which will be repeated. Okay, see beta, you all are mature, you are in class 9, you are good in division. That's why I consider to do it but little bit faster. Okay, you can see we just divided 1 by 17 and got the desirable result. After 2 I have solved it here. Okay beta, finally you will got this repeating set of digits, group of digits. Okay, done. Take the screenshot and solve. Done. Now question number 6 beta. Without any delay in the time, question number 6. See beta, in question number 6, what should be the Q? If a rational number is given P by Q and the division decimal expansion is terminating. See beta, in earlier lecture, I have given you some examples. Right now I am giving you some 2 examples. See, if a number is 7 by 2, 7 by 5 and 7 by 3. See beta, if you divide here, you will get 3.5. If you divide here, you will get 1.4. But if you divide here, you will get 2.3333 and up to infinite. What does it mean? In my first lecture, I have already told you beta, where I solved 33 by 8. It was terminating. Yes or no? See beta, whenever the divisor in the form of 2, 5 or both, only in that case termination is there. Decimal expansion will terminate. Only in that case if 2 and 5 are the prime factors of divisor. Okay. But if other than 2 and 5, is there any number, any prime number, in that case it will be non-terminating. It will be non-terminating. Yes or no? Like suppose I have to divide 17 by 4. 17 by 4. See, 17, its prime factors are 2 into 2 and 10 is the responsible for termination. 10 is the number which is responsible for termination. Okay, that's why, and 10 is the formation of product of 2 and 10. That's why we consider that only the case of 2 and 5 or both will make the decimal expansion terminating. Okay, see here, 1 5 is needed for this and 1 5 is required for this, and 25 is divided, 25 should be multiplied. 17 5s are 72s and this one. Divide by 10 into 10, 100. You will get 4.25. Yes or no? Done beta? Now see what is the statement of question number 6. Question number 6 states that look at several examples of rational number in the form of p by q form, where p and q are integers with no common factor, means they are co-primes. Co-prime numbers means having only one as common factor. See, 1, 4 and 9. Factors are 1, 2, 4. Its factor are 1, 3, 9. Only this is the common factor. It means if HCS is 1, if HCF of two numbers is 1, they are called as co-primes. Okay, and here P and Q are given co-primes. Okay, now see, having terminating decimal representation, can you guess the property of Q must satisfy? See beta, this is the, you take the screenshot of it. Done. Now see beta, what is the comment on Q? What can you say about Q? See beta, Q, P by Q, here Q should be of form 2 raised to power m into 5 raised to power n. Only in the terms of 2 and 5, only in that case, only in that case, decimal expansion will be terminating. Yes or no? Only in that case, decimal expansion will be terminating. Okay? Now you have comment on the property of Q. Done? I am little bit faster beta because within 5 minutes I have to solve all the questions. I have got the, okay? I have got the notification from the outside. Now question number 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. You have taken the screenshot. I have also sent you the solutions on the WhatsApp group also. Question number 7. See beta, 3 numbers n1, n2, n3. I have to give the examples such that their decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-repeating. See beta, very simple. Follow my criteria. I used to write like this: 1.01, 001, 0001, 00001 and so on. You will say, sir, 01, 201, 3 times 0, 4 times 0, 1, and sir, there is a criteria, there is a fixed pattern. Leave it. Leave the pattern. You have to consider only the repeating digits, not group of digits or a single digit is repeating in the same manner. That's why this is irrational. Second example, 2.02, 002, 0002 and so on up to infinity. So simple. Irrational. 3.03, 003, 0003 and so on up to infinity. So simple. See beta, these are the 3 numbers which are irrational numbers. Means their decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-repeating. Done beta. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Take the screenshot. We have to find irrational numbers in between the given rational numbers. 5. See beta, question number 8. 5 by 7, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and 9 by 11. See beta, I1, I2 and up to I5 stands for irrational numbers. 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, 2 rational numbers are given and we have to find 5 irrational numbers in between them. See beta, this is irrational, not rational. We don't do like we do in the exercise 1.1. Okay, 1.1 or 1.2, where we match the denominator or the mean method. Here we have to find irrational numbers. See, try to find its decimal expansion, not whole, up to 2 digits only, up to 2 decimal digits. See what it will be. If you divide 5 by 7, you will get 0.71 and so on, whatever is I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, comma 9 by 11 will give you 0.81 and so on up to something, whatever is. Okay, these are the 5 numbers in between we have to find. See, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. See, I1, whatever is the number you want to take, you can take, it's your choice, but see, the number should be greater than 0.71. greater than 0.71. If I am writing here 0.72, what does it mean? This is greater than this and this is less than this, satisfying first condition, second condition. But it should be irrational. Here it is rational, huh? Make it irrational by the following criteria we used in question number 7. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and so on up to infinite. This is the irrational number, first irrational number. Now then, do not worry about that. 0.73 greater than this, less than this, satisfying, make it irrational by the simple funda. Okay. 0.74, 01, 001, 0002, 1 sorry, and up to infinity. 0.75, 01, 001, 0001 and so on up to infinity. Choice is yours, beta. 7601, 001, 0001 and up to infinity. Choice is yours. Only you have to satisfy the condition asked in the question. This is the fact. Okay, done beta. Take the screenshot. Done. Now see question number 9. Question number 9. In question number 9, some parts are given and where we have to classify which is irrational or which is rational. Which is rational or which is irrational. Question number 9, part first. Root 23. See beta, root of non-perfect square. Non-perfect square. What is this? Irrational, yes or no? Done. First part is irrational, so simple. Second part, root 2 to 5. See beta, root 2 to 5 is 15 square. This is the whole square of a number. That's why it will be rational and this is rational. Okay. 0.3796. Can I write this 3796 by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros? And what is this? P by Q form? It means this is rational. Yes or no? This is rational. Question number 4. 7.478, 478 and so on. Now you can understand what is given here. 7 by 7.478 repeating. The group of digits 478 is repeating. As it is repeating, what it will be? It will be rational. Yes or no? Done. Question number 5. What is given here? 1.10, 1.10, 100, 1000. You have guess. This is irrational because earlier in last sums I have given you the idea to make an irrational number. Done beta? So this was the part I repeated again. I reshooted again because of some technical problem. The today's video was not published. This video will be published within 5-10 minutes and you have to see it right now on 21st of April. And today you have to watch the video and complete your concept. Okay, then tomorrow you will get the next video. I am shooting right after this. I will shoot the next video and it's done. You will get the next video on time. Okay, have a nice day beta and sorry for the delay once again. And one more, see beta, for you specially I reshooted this. Please like, share and give positive comments beta. This is only for you and your likes motivate me to do something extra, to give you the best. And I am trying my best, so please beta, like the video, comment, give positive comments and share it also. Okay, done.